I'm happy to provide a channel to connect. I actually work with U of T, Waterloo, Ryerson, UOIT, with all of them, but you can generally, actually I don't know what the method of pathway is in, but within these roundtables, you've brought Peter Carr from Waterloo that would help. We've brought a U of T professor today. There's ways to get into them. The other thing I would say is just try something. Don't expect to solve world hunger maybe on your first try, because there's a particular way of working with it. Like I've learned now, having done so many projects, and the ones that are most successful, I know now how to get to a successful project. And it wasn't so much. At the beginning, I was probably spending a lot of time to not get that great of a result. And a lot of it is creating something that's consumable with an actual result that can be accommodated within the time frame that you're looking at. But you have to try a few. And then a lot of times what you get as a takeaway may not even be directly what you thought it was. So as an example, I hired a student who's the top student from engineering science because I spoke at something, heard what I was involved in something else, and then ended up bringing that person over. Or I was at another event, met a professor doing this specific research, and then made another connection. You just need to get involved, and then it'll open up. But the thing that people don't realize is that there's been a shift. The government has shifted the way they incent professors or fund them. They're actually funding based on the ability to connect with industry. They're trying to make more of this happen. So the professors are looking for businesses that they can work with because that's how they're going to get their funding. And when I heard that, and I go, that's fantastic. So I was actually at one dinner with a bunch of professors. I go, I think that's great. And they go, it's not so great. He goes, Albert Einstein didn't create any commercializable products, right? So conventional research suffers because now it's this, research based on the creation of innovative solutions that can be sold. But irrespectively, I would just say you can get involved. There's lots of ways to get involved. I'm sure that you can look up on a website and just contact us would probably get you in. But through these types of channels, I'm also always willing to make an introduction if I can to help make more partnerships happen.